Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. Today I'm so excited because today I'm going to unbox my brand new monitor which I bought for my own personal use. It is from Dell and I bought it from Amazon.in. So let me quickly show you and we're going to unbox it. And while unboxing, I'm going to talk about its specs and its model number and why I bought this particular one. So let's get started. So let me quickly place this monitor here. As you can see here, it have covered my previous 24.5-inch monitor completely. And if I found this monitor good enough, then I'm going to buy two of them. So let me quickly unbox it. So this comes with a very good packaging, I would say, from Amazon. So if you see, this is the monitor you can see on my screen. It is from Dell and it really doesn't cost me that much, which currently the Dell website is showing 84,433. It cost me around 30,500 and it is a QHD monitor. So let me quickly unbox it. This model actually you can easily find in Amazon. Just check the link that I have provided in the description of this video. And believe me guys, it is one of the best monitor available in 27-inch with IPS panel and with high FPS. So this one actually have 165 Hz refresh rate. If we talk about the panel is from LG, and actually there are a lot of other monitors that are using the same panel. Even the LG 850 that I'm going to show you in the screen is using the same. And what makes this particular variant so unique, it have higher peak brightness and it can work at 165 Hz refresh rate even with 10-bit color. If we talk about the color, then it covers up to 98% of DCI-P3. If we talk about its contrast ratio, then it comes with 1000 to 1 contrast ratio and it is HDR4 certified. If we talk about the compatibility with GPU, it comes with AMD FreeSync Premium support. So let's just quickly see its overview specs which is written here. As well as I was talking about NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, so it is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync but not with the fully one, so it is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. If we talk about the response rate, here you can see it is 1 ms, the display is IPS, and a remaining thing we're going to check out after opening this box. Now let me just unbox it. You can see this huge box. Whoa. Okay, so here we can see that it comes with a manual which shows, the different way of using it. And you can see this one which actually, showing us to keep cautious while tilting this monitor to 90 degrees. So we may need to lift it up and then only we can rotate it 90. So let's keep it aside. Here comes a power cord. Okay, this looks quite nice. The power cord, and I guess the length of this cord is also very big, but I would say there is one downside. The power plug is 16 ampere bigger one, the power socket. So I don't know how I'm going to insert it because I don't have this. Now here we go. Here we can see this USB A to B cable. This is HDMI to HDMI and this is my DP cable. So I'm going to use DP cable to utilize whole 165 Hz. If you're going to use HDMI, in that case the refresh rate will be limited to 144 Hz. But fortunately my graphic card only have display port, so I'm going to use display port directly. Now let me just keep all these aside and let me just open this nice and cool stand out. Here we can see this is aluminum casting. This one seems plastic on the top, and this is metal again, and here a sticker which says NVIDIA G-Sync. Despite, well, it should mention AMD FreeSync because it have got the premium AMD but not the premium G-Sync. Now I'm going to open the another part of this stand, which look like this. And this hole, I love this hole because this lets you route your cable properly. And here you can see how you can adjust the tilt, and you can also rotate it like this. Let's fix it up here, which I would say will be quite easy peasy. You just need to insert it like this, and then you need to roll it like this. Now let me keep it aside and let's unbox the main hero, which is this monitor. So here you can see the buttons. I would say it is quite thick. Okay, so here you can see the difference between 77-inch and 24.5-inch. So it's certainly it is larger among all these three displays. So let me quickly remove this box, and now I will quickly assemble this up. So let me just place it here. Here you can see we have this joystick and other setting button, which we're going to see later on. If we talk about other ports, then here we can see we have got USB A, USB B. This is display port and 2 HDMI. Then this is power socket, and there is a headphone output as well. But I am skeptical if it have inbuilt speaker or not. Oh wow, it also have got this button that lets you quickly switch different HDMI, I guess. Or we will explore this button later on. So let me quickly fix this stand. Okay, so here we go. We have fixed the stand. And now I will try to connect it with a power source, so I can actually remove my existing monitor, and I'm going to keep this monitor here to see the difference. Now I'm going to turn on this monitor for the first time, and initially I was very confused like how I can turn it on, because when I supplied power to it, it did not. You just need to check out this button, which is very small one here in the bottom. Just press that button and then this monitor will turn on. So now let me just turn on my PC, and then we will see how it look. You can see here this language option, which you can change with the help of joystick. Okay, so finally we have turned this thing on. Let me tell you guys, it looks fantastic compared to my previous monitor. And here you can see, as of now, I haven't fixed the refresh rate yet. So let me just quickly go to display setting, and here I have option of this advanced display. From here I can choose my refresh rate up to 165 Hz. So I'm going to choose 165. And here we go guys, it looks much smoother compared to my existing full HD monitor. So my existing full HD monitor is from Yamaha, and it is like 75 Hertz, and the new one from Dell, and this one is 165 Hertz. So it looks much more fluidic, much more smooth. In terms of color, it's look much better compared to the full HD one. So this was quick unboxing and first impression of Dell 2721DGF. Also, I will post a detailed review video of this monitor after using for a month. If you also want to buy the same, then I will put the buying link in the description of this video. If you are also looking for premium monitor within 30,000 rupees price range, then I will definitely recommend you to go with this. Also, don't forget to check the buying link in the description of this video. And if you have any question, any doubt regarding this monitor and why I have choose this particular model, then do let me know in comment down below, and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.